Have you ever thought about how to solve complex problems with numerous variables and constraints? How do companies make decisions that maximize profit or minimize cost? This is where the concept of optimization comes into play. It's all about finding the best solution from a sea of feasible options. It's a crucial tool used in various fields, from business to engineering, to find the most efficient and effective ways to solve intricate problems. To understand how this happens, we must dive into the fascinating world of operations research. Operations research, also known as OR, is a discipline that deals with the application of advanced analytical methods to make better decisions. Now, this might sound a bit complex, but let's break it down. Picture this: a bustling logistics company trying to find the most efficient route for their deliveries, or a manufacturing plant striving to optimize its production line. This is where OR shines. OR uses mathematical models, statistical analysis, and mathematical optimization to essentially crack the code of decision-making. It helps businesses and organizations find the best possible solution to complex problems, thereby boosting efficiency and productivity. OR doesn't just stop at logistics and manufacturing. It's widely applied in service industries, healthcare, transportation, and even in the military. So, whether it's about managing a global supply chain or scheduling patient appointments in a hospital, Oregon has got it covered. Now, one of the most common techniques in operations research is linear programming. Linear programming is a method to achieve the best outcome in a mathematical model whose requirements are represented by linear relationships. Let's break it down into three major components: objective function, decision variables, and constraints. First up, the objective function. This is what we're trying to optimize. It could be maximizing profits in a business, minimizing time spent on a task, or achieving the best score in a game. Think of it as the ultimate goal. Next, we have decision variables. These are the variables that we can control or change to optimize the objective function. In a business scenario, these could be the number of products to produce, hours to work, or resources to allocate. They are the elements we can play around with to reach our goal. Last but not least, we have constraints. These are the limitations or restrictions we need to take into account. Let's say you're planning a trip. Your constraints could be your budget, the number of days you have, or the places you want to visit. They set the boundaries for our decision variables. Now, imagine you're playing a game of chess. Your objective function is to checkmate your opponent. Your decision variables are the moves you can make. Your constraints? The rules of the game, of course. So linear programming is a powerful tool in the hands of decision makers. So, in a nutshell, optimization, operations research, and linear programming are powerful tools that help in making informed decisions. These techniques enable us to select the best possible alternative from a set of feasible options, enhancing efficiency and productivity. Remember, optimization is all about finding the best solution to a problem. Operations research, on the other hand, is a discipline that deals with decision-making and problem-solving, helping us to optimize complex systems and operations. And finally, linear programming, a mathematical method used to find the best possible outcome in a given mathematical model. It's a powerful tool in the world of operations research, helping to solve problems in a variety of fields. We hope you found this insightful. Like, share, and subscribe for more such content. Don't forget to visit our website beawarechannel.com for premium content and more exciting stuff. Stay curious and keep learning.